I connect the water and now I power on. Water here. This is a water solenoid valve. It has a whizzing sound. It means this one is not healthy. Also, open and close sound is a little bit not normal. Need to check later more. Water is just normal temperature. It's not warm water. Okay. Now valve is closed. I hear the sound a little bit. Need to check inside. Now buzzing sound is gone. Maybe water inside is from here. It didn't drain well and make wet inside and make some rust near here and some screw here and also screw here and make humid environment inside. Because of this, I cannot see any leaking point. There are many connections, but I cannot see leakage. I think only water is from here. It contaminates inside and make humid inside. All of the control board and main board. I see some water in main board. I'm not sure because during transportation or not. But right now when I check, I cannot see any leaking. But I will check more. But I cannot see any visible leaking, any connection here. Okay.